Ria, what did you do? Why did you click?
I didn't do anything. I just wanted to see something.
No.
Hi everyone, you're watching Binomo channel, and today we are going to discuss how Fibonacci numbers help in trading and what you should pay to attention first.
Amrit, are you busy? I need your help.
I'm recording a video.
I'll be quick. Can you help me earn some money? I really want a new purse.
Earn how?
Well, on the platform you said everything was so easy to navigate there. So I'll do something for you too.
Do like what?
Maybe I'll get Brenda to go out with you.
Deal. Yeah.
I have an idea. Let's record the whole training.
Have you decided to monetize everything?
First of all, you could revisit the video afterwards if you missed anything, and the viewers will also benefit from it too.
Okay, I don't mind.
Let's first figure out your finances. How do you keep track of them? And how you spend them?
I don't know. I just add items to my cart and then everything is a blur.
Well, we'll try to change that. Let's start by going over the basics of financial literacy, and you will understand why you need to apply it. Let's use your example.
Are you going into my wallet?
No need to do that. First, we need to set a clear goal, like a new purse for you. Then, we lay out the steps to get there. To do that, we understand your financial burden, what your income is, how much you spend, and most importantly, what you spend it on. That's going to be the key to keeping your money and building savings. Here is a simple chart to help you figure out what your financial problems are right now. The proceeds are your part-time jobs. Mom and dad sometimes help, and grandma also every month helps.
What she's got to do with it?
Everyone finds surprises in their pockets after her visits. How does she do that? I always wonder. She's like a ninja with a pacemaker. Expenses. This is where we list all our obligations. This is a monthly payment for housing, food, internet. In other words, the minimum basic needs.
Even facials?
Especially the facials, since you do them every month.
I just don't always get sleep, but I always want to look beautiful.
Column number 3 is all your wants. Your wants are restaurants, movies, clothes, and so on. In the 4th column, we list the savings. This is important.
I don't know how to save at all. You have to enjoy yourself in life.
My dear sister, you should always have a growing financial cushion that can help you in difficult situations.
Okay, I get it. So the amount in the first column should cover the needs of all the others, and if it's not enough, it should cover the entire second column first and then the other. I've seen something like this online, that you have to divide by 50, 40, 10 percentage.
In theory, yes. Let's say your income is $1,000, of which you spend $800 on basic needs and have $200 left over for everything else. Then the 50-40-10 scheme works. But if your total proceeds are $10,000,
Oh, that's the amount I like. I wouldn't deny myself anything.
let's not get distracted. With an income of $10,000, you continue to live with your parents, pay for the internet, and go to the same nail technician, which means then your basic needs have not increased to $8,000 but still remain $800. So on everything else, we can now spend 70% and or even 80% of your income.
Then I'm totally confused.
This means that the competent interest allocation is only one of the management tools. The foundation of financial literacy is to increase the sources of incoming income. That's exactly what we are going to do. Next, you need to control your petty spendings.
It's like a cup of coffee and a muffin play a part in all of this?
Of course they do. And not just them. Open the app and check out how much you spend per month on that. A daily latte with your girlfriends plus a cupcake is like 1.5 bucks a day. But over the course of month, that's $45. And you have got tons of expenses like that.
If you think about it that way, there are also cabs and desserts before bedtime of a movie.
That's what I'm talking about. It's like holes in your pocket. You don't notice it, but you keep on losing the money. Next, I'm aware of the balances of your savings account. And it's looking pretty bad, putting it mildly.
Did you hack into my computer?
Your password is QWERTY12345. Plus, it's displayed on your monitor. And no, I didn't hack into anything. Mom told me last week at the breakfast when we were discussing family vacation. Ria, remember, you should always have savings. and you shouldn't just sit on them. It's better to invest them somewhere.
I invest all my resources in myself.
Ha ha ha. It's not like you're bringing any dividends later. For starters, just get an account, or preferably several accounts in different banks. That way, you will protect yourself from inflation. And in case something happens to the account, bank bankruptcy, hacker attack, you will always have other accounts. Now, when you know what you're spending your money on, you can easily manage your finances. Like a skilled juggler. You direct your funds along the necessary path.
So far, I am in a bit of shock that I have to cut my spending somewhere.
Savings and optimizations is the key to success. For example, you can take your moped instead of a cab and save a lot that way, especially if it's just sitting there in the garage. Cafes shouldn't be visited so often. Most people eat at home and go to the restaurant only on weekends and weekdays.
I do that too.
Ria, daily breakfast at the coffee shop counts too. So, by learning how to save money and reduce unnecessary spendings, you will be able to save more of your money.
Can I at least afford a vada pav once a day?
You can afford anything if you allocate everything. Proper planning will lead to structure every dollar you spend. Believe me, if I had the same approach as you, I wouldn't have the brand new car under my window.
I know you'll drive me, and that way I'll save money.
I'm not your personal driver.
Please, please, please.
Well, if it's on my way, then okay. Here is a tip. Make a rule to round up the amount of each purchase and put the difference into your account. Let it be a few cents or a couple of dollars, but over the time, you will be surprised how quickly your piggy bank will be replenished.
I think I understand. I can set aside some small sums of money. They won't feel like much, but it will still be a nice sum later on.
Yes. See, you're getting into it already. Then, one more secret. Many people keep their savings at home, in a piggy bank, or just in an account. But few people realize that while the money is sitting, it can also work for you and bring you income.
I don't understand how it can just sit. It's so nice to spend it.
Earning and saving is just as nice. Here, too, there are several ways. You can open a deposit. In this case, the money will bring you an annual profit. If even this is not enough for you, you can then use these funds to buy foreign currency.
What would I do with it? I'll have to exchange it back to buy something anyways.
No, there is a different system here. You can buy pounds at one price and then sell them a few months later for more. But that's more complicated and a separate conversation. What you and I need to learn right now is to cut costs and save.
There are so many different ways.
Of course, you can invest in real estate, invest in startups, or just buy shares in a company. We'll talk about that when you have something in your account.
So far, all I know about saving is how to take advantages of store sales and promotions.
There is nothing wrong with that. If every dollar gets saved, you get closer to your goal.
I know that now. When are we going to start trying things already?
Just look at how eager you are. Look. Here, I'll tell you right away. I'll be here for the emotions and knowing how excited you can get. I think you'll really enjoy it. It is important to understand I use the funds that won't hurt my pocket and I just enjoy the process.
Come on, tell me already what's on there and where I should click.
Yes, I'll get some coffee now and then we'll continue. Do you need anything?
No, hurry up. The purse is not going to wait.
Okay.
Oh. Wait. No. Amrit.
What's up? Ria, what did you do? Why did you click?
I didn't do anything. I just wanted to see something.
No, not there.